Hey guys, Guns Games 24/7 here. This is my shooting test with my pump action shotgun, which to be honest I've forgotten the name, so I'll put the title in the video with some text editing. There we go. This first few shots will be 0.12 gram BBs. So let's try it out. I don't think it'll be very good. I'm not using any sights at all, so I've got to aim using the rail. Keep shooting in between the cans. Yeah, now instead of reloading my clip and just putting the spring down, I'm shaking my mag so some more pellets go into like the little overflow chamber bit. Let it hit the shelf. Just doing one more set with these. 1.2s. So empty. Right guys, getting the clip. This is my winding mag for it. I'm just gonna pop it in and see if it's any better. I think I've broken it. Yeah, I've broken it. I'll keep trying. There we go. Yeah, I've broken the mag. So it's taken me a while to reload, so I'm going to turn the gun upside down. Yeah, I'm empty now, guys. Show you I'm empty. There is a few yellow parts in that, but that involves reloading. That's good. Let's have a look. If you're wondering why I've got a Guinness Book of Records there, it's just because I'm not filming off a camera, I'm filming off a phone. So, a few hits on there. Obviously a few hits because we're a bit short of a few cans. One hit there and there, so it's fairly accurate. And considering I wasn't using any sights or scopes, that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate and subscribe.